Hello viewers, welcome to Simply Food. Today I am going to show you how to make chipotle sauce. Chipotle sauce is a great dipping sauce and even as a marinade, it's spicy and creamy, very easy to make. To make this, you will need mayonnaise, finely chopped garlic, roasted dry red chili powder, mixed herbs, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, tomato ketchup, mustard sauce, vinegar and lemon juice. Into the mayonnaise, add finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon roasted dry red chili powder, 1½ teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup. Add lemon juice. Now add 1 teaspoon mustard sauce, salt to taste, add mixed herbs. Mix very nicely. I have taken half a cup of mayonnaise. This sauce is little spicy and little tangy and make in just 5 minutes. Serve chipotle sauce with chips and nachos and also use in chicken recipes. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel, give thumbs up and give your feedback on the comment section below. Thank you.